It's All Hallows Eve. It's a time of the year where spirits make contact with the physical world, when magic is the most potent. Some think we harness the magic to brew our favorite beer, which is the pumpkin beer. But not so. Today, we're reviewing Sudden Tears Brewing Company's Pumking Imperial Pumpkin Ale. Yes, it's Halloween. We gotta do a pumpkin beer, obviously. Hello, welcome to another beer review. And this is Sudden Tears Pumking Imperial Pumpkin Ale. It's a pumpkin beer. It is 8.6 alcohol by volume. It's available during the end of summer, August to October. You can find it sometimes a little bit before and definitely after, depending on how sales are. But it's a yearly beer. It's a two-row pale Munich C60 malt, and it has a CTZ hops. It should be a dark copper cover, or a dark copper color, and the fermentation of it is ale yeast with 2 varieties of hops, 2 varieties of malts, pumpkins, and spices. The aroma should be cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, allspice, vanilla, with the buttery crust. It's just like a pumpkin pie in a glass, they say. I love pumpkin pie. So as the air gets crisp, the moon shines, brighter the king and his court embark on another grand adventure. They bring their devil-may-care spirit with you, whether you're a real one, into backyards or bonfires, or just reclining thrones. It's our turn to live like a king and craft through the kingdom. So let's just open this up and see how it tastes. Man, you can tell it is definitely a pumpkin type of color. Just look at that. Bear down. You can see it's a nice pumpkin orange color. Not a typical ale color that you're used to. Ooh, you definitely smell the cinnamon and stuff. You can smell the cinnamon. You can smell the vanilla. Don't smell much of anything else. Let's see how the bottle. Sudden Tears Brewery is a East Coast brewery. They are located in Lakewood, New York. And they have brew houses in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Cleveland, Ohio, Charlotte, North Carolina, and Buffalo, New York. But of course, their main location for business, their main brewery, is located at Lakewood, New York. This brewery started in 2004, and they've been making this pumpkin ale since 2007. It's a season. I mean, you just look at it. It just looks golden and stuff. So anyway, people have been thriving and talking about it. I got this at my work for $13.99 at Bevmo. But we do not carry any, at least my location does not carry any other Southern Tier beers. We carry just 2 of their seasonal beers, this and the caramel. And I might even do a review on the caramel, but I take that back. We carry 3 of them. Caramel, the caramel pumpkin, the pumpkin, and the maple pumpkin. Oh, just with the first taste, you taste it all. You taste the cinnamon. You taste the vanilla. You taste the cloves. I mean, you just taste it all. You even taste the pumpkin. I mean, it is, gotta taste it out of the bottle. Oh yeah, it tastes great out of the bottle and stuff. This is a good beer. This is a very, very good beer. I mean, for All Hallows Eve, I mean, it's the time of the year where spirits make contact into the physical world when magic is potent. I mean, this is a complex ale. But the first sip is like a magical spell. I mean, it bewitches my taste buds. I just love their logo too. They have improved on their logo characters and stuff. But because I saw earlier versions of the bottle, and this one looks, I think the graphics art looks a lot better. But this is definitely a good beer. I mean, if you're into, it's pumpkin pie. It's a liquid pumpkin pie. It literally is. And if you're into pumpkin pie and you like pumpkin pie, you're going to love this beer. Now, would I do it with the shot of whipped cream on it? I don't know. That's getting kind of cocktailish. But you probably could make a pumpkin pie cocktail with this beer. I mean, it is a good beer. Like I said, 8.6 alcohol by volume. It is a pumpkin beer. Beer Advocate actually has it ranked in the 29th percentile for pumpkin beers, which is pretty high for. I mean, this is definitely a good beer. I mean, yeah, the head goes down after a while, but it keeps its smell, it keeps its flavor. That's definitely a very, very good beer. I mean, while you're waiting for the trick-or-treaters, pull out a cold one, relax, give out your candy, and enjoy a cold one for yourself. I will see you on the flip side. Cheers.